Okay, so today we're going to do WordPress free hosting. You can get a free hosting from 00 web hosts. So here you just come get the free version. You can have the premium version and all, but we can start with the free version. So we have to enter your email address, your password, and the name of the website, and then get a free account. Okay, so there I can just click on save. No, I'm approved. That's okay. Let's close on that. So you get your email. Just to confirm, verify your email. Okay, so you have manage your website. Okay, so here we just want to install. We can upload a custom made, or you can install a WordPress site. So here we can just have admin. For that we can also have URL is that, and that's okay. Click on install. Okay, so it's already ready. So let's go to configuration page. Okay, so we have logged into our dashboard. If you want to go to our front end, just click on that visit site and just right click. So for now, this one's okay. Okay, so we have our website just like that. The good thing about this is compared to the WordPress hosting, you can install plugins and edit plugins and all that. The backside is it has powered by web host because it's a free. But if you want to remove the logo for host, you have to pay for it in the hosting. Okay, so we have the first thing is appearance in WordPress. We choose the theme that we would like to use. This is okay. You can just close that. So we'll see there's a lot of themes that we can use. So far there's that. You can come there. Okay. So here it's okay. You can know that. So we can look for a theme, like we can start with IMAX. It's a theme that it's good to use. Install the theme. Then activate it. So let's go to themes. Okay, so you see the IMAX comes with some, we already activated the IMAX theme, but it also comes with the following recommended plugins. So just begin installing plugins. Okay, so for now I can choose that contact 7, site builder, template toolkit is very important. The rest is okay. It's up to you, it's optional. So I just click on that and then apply. Okay, so return. I've already installed, so I need to activate them. So you choose again, once you install, and then click on that, activate, apply. Okay, so we have already, when you refresh our page, so we have our new theme installed. Okay, so in the next video we will see how to customize it and also install a child theme for it. Okay.